What's flying, you guys? Alright, I'm here at a new park. Take a look at it. It's pretty nice right back here. It's a little dense, it's a little compact, it's tiny, it's hidden behind all these baseball fields. Now I was looking at the baseball fields and I noticed this little spot over here. I'm actually meeting up with a new pilot. We're going to get his rig going and we're going to get up in the air and just have some fun. But what I'm really excited for, let's see if I can get this in the frame here. Oh, wait for it. Where is it? Where is it? There it is. Look at that. That's a windmill. That's a windmill right there. A random windmill in Vegas. Yeah! Oh no! Busted prop. That would have sucked.
What happened?
I didn't not tie down the actual prop.
Oh.